Alexa, lights on. Alexa, turn on the humidifier.
Hello everyone, this is Project Characters.
As you're probably already aware, the number of households owning a smart speaker such as Amazon Alexa or Google Home are growing year over year. And according to a research conducted by Adobe, 32% of all US households already have some sort of a smart speaker. In the UK, on the other hand, there are more smart speakers than pet rabbits, which is a very weird stat. Alexa, what sound does the rabbit make?
When rabbits are happy, they make a soft clucking noise that sounds a bit like they have the hiccups. Interestingly, carrots are notorious for causing the hiccups. Probably unrelated, but it's still pretty funny.
Okay, so my question today is, can you use these smart speakers for something good? The short answer is yes, you can. So what I mean by that is you can use either Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant, either through your Android device or the Google Home device, to make a donation by simply using your voice. All you need to do is say, I want to make a donation, and both devices would either suggest a different charity organization if you don't have one in mind, or alternatively, if you already have one in mind, a charity organization, you can say, Alexa, I want to donate £5 to the Red Cross, for example. Alexa, I want to make a donation.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Awkward.
Shuffling coffee table jazz from Spotify.
Okay, so I'm back. Alexa, I want to donate to the British Heart Foundation.
You have British Heart Foundation enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Welcome to the British Heart Foundation. You can donate money or arrange a furniture collection. Which of these would you like to do today?
I would like to donate money.
How much would you like to donate?
I would like to donate £5.
I heard £5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You would like to donate £5 to the British Heart Foundation. I am going to use your Amazon Pay account for this transaction. Would you like to proceed?
Yes.
To continue, tell me Stefan's voice code. Thank you for your donation. Here is Becky to tell you how your support is making a difference.
Hello, I'm Becky. I'm one of 7 million people in the UK living with heart and circulatory disease. Your donation will fund research that gives people like me hope for a better future. Thank you.
Okay, so that's it. Pretty simple, right? I didn't have to use my phone or my laptop, anything. Honestly, what I did was to ask Alexa to make a donation on my behalf to the British Heart Foundation. Google Home Assistant works pretty much the same way. You can name the charity organization of your choice and say how much you want to donate, and then the Home Assistant will do the rest. The only difference is that Google would ask for confirmation through your phone, but otherwise everything else is absolutely the same. Okay, so that was all from Alexa and me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you consider making a voice donation next time through your smart speaker and help lead the way towards hassle-free voice donations.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
See you everyone.